Hey guys, it's Jeremy and welcome to Santosec. In this video I'm going to talk about the OSCP. So this week is really important for me because I subscribed for 2 months access lab for the OSCP program. So in this video I'm going to talk about who I am, where I'm from, what's my background, and what's my objectives. So I'm a 32 years old married man with 2 boys. I have absolutely no background in IT, in the IT field. I'm just passionate about hacking, about pen testing, about cybersecurity, and I've been doing this all my life. Previously, for 10 years, I've been in during 10 years in a family business in real estate development. Where I was in charge, of course, about the security of the whole company, but most importantly about the sales, about how we bought the lands, about the architect parts, about the notary parts. I was in charge of a lot of things, and I did it for 10 years, so I have no regrets because I've learned so much. But it was time for me this year to do what I really love, and what I really love was hacking. So I asked myself, how can I do this legally? And so I've been searching, and there is a lot of jobs in pen testing. It's basically hacking, but legally, for a company that allows you to hack them in a very specific scope. So of course I was interested about it, and I knew how to do it, but I had no proof because I had no background degree. I have no background in IT at all. I have a degree in electricity, but that's a really small degree, and it has nothing to do with IT in the IT field. So I asked myself, what can I do to prove myself that I'm capable of being a pen tester and a good pen tester? So I decided to take the OSCP, thanks to my family, because I took 2 months lab. I think it's $1,000, and I couldn't afford it, but my family helped me to take it, and I'm really freaking out because I'm starting on November 10th at 1 a.m. For me in the morning, because I'm in south of France. So yeah, I managed to route a lot of boxes in Hack the Box. I did CTFs, capture the flags, but that's it. That's why I'm really freaking out, and I can't wait to take the full courses because I know it can improve my skills that I have already, and I'm sure I'm gonna make it. I'm sure I'm gonna make it, as long as you are passionate about what you're doing, and you can sell yourself. I'm sure I'm gonna do it, but I have to take it. I know it's a difficult certification from someone like me with no background, but I'm gonna make it. I have no doubt about this. So I'm starting on Sunday 10th in 3 days. So I'll keep you posted. I'm gonna make a diary about it. So here is a day, 3 days before the actual courses, and then I'm gonna make 1 week video 1 week after starting the OSCP courses, the PWK courses, exactly, penetration with Kali Linux. So I'm gonna keep you posted on this, and never stop believing in what you are able to do. If you like this video, or if you have anything to say, if you have any advice that I can get, if you have any question you want me to answer, I would be happy to. So please comment, like, and subscribe on my video. And if you want to talk to me directly, here is my Twitter in the video description also. So hope to see you next time.